The Galaxy S25 Ultra to state absolutely when the new phone will come outside of an early 2025 release frame. Your guess is as good as ours, which has been said in previous years. Samsung has steadily accelerated the release date of the Galaxy S series, which was previously scheduled for February or March. This year's Galaxy S24 release date was the earliest ever, with a Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17th and the S24 models releasing 2 weeks later on January 31st. Some specific features we anticipated to see on the forthcoming top flagship has recently converted to titanium for the frame of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We don't expect Samsung will make a change for the S25 variant as well. Samsung has used the same basic design for recent Ultras, with cameras stacked in vertical rows on the back of the phone and the lens emerging slightly from the back. We don't expect that to change, but leaked CED renders that are sure to arrive in the coming months will tell the story. According to a Galaxy S25 rumor, the display on Samsung's entry-level model would grow in size to 6.36-inch, up from 6.2-inch on the Galaxy S24. MPARED to 6.36-inch. A similar rumor suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra screen will be somewhat larger than the 6.8-inch display on the S24 Ultra, although we're not sure how much credence to place in that claim. Cameras are the focal point of the Ultra model since it is the phone Samsung prefers, with a 200 megapixels primary sensor and a 100 megapixels space zoom function. We'd expect some sort of upgrade to that setup next year, and early Galaxy S25 Ultra camera rumors suggest we may be onto something. Specifically, Alika claims that the wide-angle lens on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will receive an unspecified upgrade, while the ultra-wide lens will jump from a 12MP sensor on the S24 Ultra to a 50MP sensor on the new phone. On the software front, we would expect the Galaxy S25 Ultra Aries to get the same 7 years of software support as the Galaxy S24, given we are now in the second developer preview for that phone release. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.